He wants to go from a swamp to a grassy field. He wants to go from a swamp of corruption to a grassy field of freedom and liberty and democracy. Every democracy in the world, people have had to fight to keep it.
That's right!
Very fragile thing, right? The majority of the world today is not under democracy. Because it's a very fragile thing. And a lot of people are not willing to fight for it. And so they end up in tyranny at one level or another. Well, we Canadians have learned some hard lessons. And we're not going to let our democracy go down. So we shall now, over the next couple of years as this unfolds, we shall ensure that political movements and political candidates are put in place throughout all of Canada who are honest people, who are speaking for the people, and we'll hold them accountable.
Perfect.
One of the problems that we've had in the last 5 or 6 years is that we hardly ever see an MLA or an MP unless it's election time.
Or their pension.
Well, it's time to, when you elect a new MLA or an MP, you meet with them every 90 days in your community.
That's right.
You force that person to come back and talk to you every 90 days so you know what they're up to.
That's right. Yeah. That's right.
But we have a responsibility too. We've got to hold these people their feet to the fire, even the new ones when we get them elected, okay? Well, we must get new people to get
we got to get new people in.
What is now in place, and I speak from experience. And one of the reasons, thankfully, you know this now. You know this now. You know why I can stand up here and speak the way I can speak. Because I'm beholding to nobody.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
That's the biggest danger I am to all of the people who are in power today. Because they know you can't touch Peckford because he ran a clean government and a clean party when he was in politics.
Thanks for your integrity. Thank you for your integrity.
So now we've got to together over the coming months and years make sure we hold everybody and start a new movement of political reform, which is right now, you see, just about everybody. I keep telling people in the House of Commons today, even though it's a minority government, the NDP is sold out for sold out. Really majority government.
Yeah.
The Prime Minister can get up almost every morning and say, I know I've got the majority today because of my 31 ministers, they had 31 parliamentary secretaries, all from the Liberal Party in the House of Commons. And then I have all these parliamentary committees with chairmen, they're all Liberals, and they're all getting extra money, and they vote.
Yeah.
So just about everybody in the House of Commons is bought off.
That's right.
You see? So that's why they call it the swamp.
Drain off.
Because there is no integrity left.
Drain the swamp.
And now the MP and the
Drain
MLA,
the
the
swamp.
best that they are social workers. All the power has gone from the MP and the House of Commons. First it went to the Cabinet, and now it's all in the Prime Minister's office. And the same way here.
Yeah.
Same way here.
Yeah.
The Premier runs the show. It's a dictator without a shot being fired without anybody knowing to change his name.
That's what I mean.
So the power got to get back to the legislature. Well, what happened this past week? The government here, the government where we're standing right now, extended the mandate for another 5 months.
Can you believe it?
Did the parliamentarians form a committee and examine all of the alternatives?
No!
Where is our democracy?
That's right! The toilet!
Where is our democracy?
God!
Where is our parliament?
God!
And we have to restore democracy to our parliaments. Our parliaments have got to have power. And the ministry and the premier have got to come to the parliament and ask for things. They don't get them automatically by order because they're the premier or because they're the minister. The Parliament, that's how it started with the Magna Carta back in 1215. It started with the people. It started with the people.
Well, we're here now. We're here now.
And we're here now.
We're here now.
This Parliament, and we got to shake this place up like you would not believe.
That's right. Stop printing the money. You got our attention.
Exactly. They've got our attention, and I think they're beginning to realize
No shit.
that they've got that.
Stop printing the money.
Here, and we're not going away anywhere.
That's it.
So listen, hopefully over the next few weeks and months, this gathering will get a little larger as we move into the spring, okay? We need this to grow in every part of Canada. I'd love to see by June all 14 parliaments, 3 territories, 10 provinces, and the federal government, and every parliament, every Saturday through May, June, and July,
I can't wait.
It's packed with people. Give us back our democracy. We want our freedoms back, and you're not going to take away from us anymore.